Best Beginner Cruiser Motorcycle Honda Rebel 500. In the realm of cruiser motorcycles, the Honda Rebel 500 stands out as a beacon for beginners entering the exhilarating world of two-wheeled adventures. Combining timeless aesthetics, approachable performance, and user-friendly features, the Rebel 500 serves as a gateway to the cruiser riding experience. In this exploration, we delve into the characteristics that make the Honda Rebel 500 the best beginner cruiser motorcycle, offering riders a perfect blend of style, comfort, and ease of use as they embark on their journey into motorcycling. Iconic cruiser design with a modern twist. The Honda Rebel 500 embraces the classic cruiser aesthetic with a modern twist, capturing the essence of laid-back riding in a sleek and approachable package. The bike features a low-slung profile, minimalist bodywork, and a relaxed riding position that defines the cruiser genre. The Rebel 500's design pays homage to its cruiser heritage while incorporating contemporary elements, making it an appealing choice for riders seeking a stylish and iconic motorcycle to kickstart their riding journey. Honda's commitment to the iconic cruiser design in the Rebel 500 reflects the brand's understanding of the importance of aesthetics in cruiser motorcycles, especially for beginners entering the riding community. Manageable power for novice riders. One of the Rebel 500's standout features for beginners is its manageable power delivery. The bike is equipped with a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that strikes a balance between performance and accessibility. The engine's power is delivered smoothly, allowing novice riders to build confidence gradually without feeling overwhelmed. This approachable power delivery makes the Rebel 500 an ideal cruiser for those stepping into the world of motorcycling, providing a comfortable and controlled riding experience. Honda's focus on manageable power in the Rebel 500 aligns with the brand's dedication to creating motorcycles that cater to the needs of novice riders, ensuring a positive and confidence-building entry into cruiser riding. Comfortable ergonomics for relaxed cruising. Cruiser motorcycles are known for their laid-back riding positions, and the Rebel 500 excels in delivering a comfortable and relaxed experience. The bike features a low seat height, forward-set foot pegs, and wide handlebars, allowing riders to stretch out and enjoy a natural and ergonomic riding posture. The comfortable ergonomics of the Rebel 500 make it well-suited for leisurely rides, city cruising, and extended journeys, ensuring that beginners can explore the joys of cruiser riding without sacrificing comfort. Honda's attention to comfortable ergonomics in the Rebel 500 reflects the brand's commitment to providing riders with a cruiser that prioritizes both style and rider well-being. Lightweight and nimble handling. The Rebel 500's lightweight construction and nimble handling set it apart in the cruiser category. Weighing in at a manageable level for beginners, the bike is easy to maneuver, making it ideal for navigating through city streets and handling low-speed maneuvers. The nimble handling of the Rebel 500 adds an element of confidence for new riders, ensuring that they can easily adapt to the cruiser's dynamics without feeling intimidated. Honda's emphasis on lightweight and nimble handling in the Rebel 500 showcases the brand's commitment to creating cruisers that are accessible and user-friendly, particularly for those just starting their riding journey. User-friendly features for entry-level riders. The Rebel 500 is equipped with a range of user-friendly features that cater to entry-level riders. From the smooth clutch engagement to the responsive throttle, every aspect of the bike is designed to make the learning curve more gradual and enjoyable. Additionally, the Rebel 500 may come with modern conveniences like an LCD instrument panel, providing essential information in a clear and easy-to-read format. These user-friendly features contribute to a positive and seamless introduction to cruiser riding for beginners. The inclusion of user-friendly features in the Rebel 500 underscores Honda's commitment to providing entry-level riders with a cruiser that is not only stylish but also intuitive and accommodating. Versatile performance for varied riding scenarios. While designed with beginners in mind, the Rebel 500's performance is versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Whether cruising through city streets, exploring scenic backroads, or embarking on highway journeys, the Rebel 500 delivers a well-rounded performance. The bike's versatility allows beginners to grow into their riding skills, adapting to different environments and gradually expanding their horizons within the cruiser lifestyle. Honda's emphasis on versatile performance in the Rebel 500 reflects the brand's commitment to providing beginners with a cruiser that can accompany them on a diverse range of riding adventures. Customization potential for personal expression.